Welcome to Tiny Tutors TV. Hello, little winter explorers. Winter is here, and it's time to stay warm and cozy. Do you know what things we use in winter? Let's learn about warm clothes, hot drinks, and other winter must-haves. Warm clothes. Keep us warm in cold weather. Woolen cap covers our head and ears from the cold. Gloves, mittens. Keep our hands warm. Woolen socks. Keep our feet warm. Winter boots. Protect our feet from snow and cold. Sweater jacket. Keep our body warm. Scarf. Covers our neck from cold winds. Thermal wear. Special warm clothes worn under regular clothes. Hot drinks, milk, cocoa, soup. Keep us warm from the inside. Blankets, quilts. Keep us cozy while sleeping. Heater, fireplace. Keep our homes warm. Umbrella, raincoat. Protect us from cold rain or snowfall. Snow boots, ice skates. Help us walk or skate on snow and ice. Lip balm, moisturizer. Protect our skin from dryness. Earmuffs. Keep our ears warm in cold weather. Hot water bottle. Helps keep us warm while sleeping. Fluffy slippers. Keep our feet warm inside the house. Vitamin C fruits. Help boost immunity in winter. Warm pajamas. Keep us cozy at night. Hand warmers. Provide extra warmth for hands in extreme cold.